Hello everyone, this is an unboxing of this Treedix USB cable tester. This is a pretty versatile tester here. Let me try and do this one-handed. Let's see what we got. So yeah, we have a manual here in English and I believe in German or whatever that is. Anyways, here is the board itself. I bought the one without the case. There is a version with a case. So yeah, this is it. Normally, because I already opened this, but beneath this coin cell here, you'll find a plastic isolating it from power. You have a switch here. You have another VN here that could be from 3 volts up to 12 volts. And you have different styles of USB connectors. You have here, you have like USB-A 3, USB-A 2 and 1, and they are the same connections. USB Type-C. You have micro USB-B, I think, Lightning, mini USB, micro USB 3.0, and then another USB-C here. So then this is USB-B 3. Right. So yeah, the idea here is that you plug in a cable on one end. Let me try and do this if I can. For example, I have this USB-C to USB-C cable, and the LEDs will light up here to show us the connections that are available on this cable. I have to turn the power on. So as you would see here, we have grounds and V buses. Okay, and then data minus data plus on this end. So that means that this one is only good for power and USB 2 speeds. If you get a fully loaded cable, you would have pretty much all the LEDs lit up. I have another one here. Let me try and open it or test that. Okay, give me a second. So I've just inserted this cable here, and you can see all the LEDs are lit up. I'm not sure why D minus and D plus light up on only one side. Maybe it's the way they are. I'm not so sure. It's 240 watt, 40 gigabit second, 8K, 60 hertz. So yeah, so the claim is looking promising here. So yeah, this is a really good tester that you can use to verify your cables. Make sure where you have an issue. For example, if you connected Type-C to a monitor or a SSD, you would know that you have an issue with the cable or something else. So whether you are going to get USB 2 speeds, 3 speeds, or Thunderbolt speeds, that sort of things. And you can also test cables and maybe fix them if you need to. Yeah, I've tested another cable, and it was USB-A to micro B here, so it was not lighting up at all on the other side. So yeah, I figured that then it's damage on that side. Alright, that's about this Treedix uh, Treedix USB cable tester. Thank you for watching.